Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how to fix talkback in Oppo phone. Friends, you want to fix guys talkback in your Oppo mobile, so then how to fix talkback today friends, I am going to show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, you can see I am not operating guys my phone, so how to fix talkback setting. Friends, you can see my talkback problem guys I have. Well, how to fix talkback problem. So friends, you also have this problem, you are not operating your phone. So how to solve means how to fix this problem in Oppo phone. So you can fix with your two finger guys, scroll your screen, and guys, don't use one finger because guys you can see we cannot scroll. So guys, use your two finger and guys on guys your phone's setting page, and guys setting icon is here. We will one tap here and guys continue two tap guys. Double tap here and guys click on any setting and guys scroll with your two finger. Don't use guys one finger guys. You can see we cannot scroll. So again two finger, any two finger guys you can use it. But guys you will have to use two finger. So scroll it and click on phone additional setting. Additional setting we will tap here guys, and guys when you will click one tab not work, one tab, so guys continue two tap guys, continue two tap. Then you can see your additional setting, language setting, date and time setting, keyboard setting, and then you can see accessibility. So guys click on accessibility to fix talkback. So guys, after on accessibility setting we will double tap here. So friends, you can see your talkback is on, and friends you want to fix talkback, so guys click on your talkback setting and friends again double tap guys. Friends, you can see talkback guys, right side this icon guys, tap here and get double tap here. Friends, you can see stop button, one tap and get double tap, then get talkback problem will fix. Friends, you can see talkback problem will fix, and friends easily guys we can operate our Oppo mobile without talkback problem guys, you can check guys. So like that guys we can fix guys talkback in our Oppo phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye bye guys.